Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from the Sam's Bead box for June 2022 Summer of Fun. Now, before I show you the jewelry I made, I'm going to show you I still have a lot of stuff left. I've been really busy working with other things and other stuff going on, so I still have a lot left. So it will show up in a future video. I will probably post another one down the line, but yeah, so I still have a lot left over. This was a beautiful box. So, okay, so to start with, I made these really cute earrings. I love these. I'll put pictures up at the beginning and the end of this video, so you'll get to see everything up on a bust or hanging up, you know, get a better look at it. So, I love this, and I just used some antique bronze for the ear wires. So I thought these were really pretty. I made those. Then I made this bracelet, or this necklace right here. So I kind of made my own pendant, and then I took a head pin and curved it a little bit and made it like that. So I don't know if you can see the whole thing in the video. Yeah, so I have that here. So I thought this was really cute. And then I made these earrings to match. So I have yeah, so I have the little dangles that I have right here. I put them right here too to kind of match up. And I really liked the beads this month. I thought they were really pretty. And I made this little handmade pendant. I just thought that was fun. Then I made this necklace. Took the little heart, loved that. And just used the lobster clasp. I have this. Made that. Then I made these little earrings as well. So I thought these were really cute. So this is so far, this is everything that I've made from the box. I just been so busy. So I have a lot more to work on. And I think I'm going to be getting a couple different bead boxes too that I'm going to be working with. So I will keep you updated on that as I know more. Bring that down so you can kind of see everything. Yeah, so I will put all this stuff up on a bus so you can see it at the end. And let me know down in the comments if you get Sam's Bead box, and if you do, what you thought of it this month. I love the colors. I love the bright, festive colors that Sam and Rachel always give us in the boxes. So I'm really happy with it. So I will let you know when I make some more stuff out of there. I'll show you what I make. I've had a lot of people say that they like just seeing finished pieces, but they're not really big on tutorials. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of both. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. So thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do have any friends that you think would want to learn about making jewelry or just want some ideas, if you would share my channel, I'd really appreciate it. So you can follow me below on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or Etsy. All my links are below, and I'll leave a link to Sam's Bead box as well. So if you aren't familiar with this bead box, you can go check out their website. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.